Now we will speak about something related also. Here the verse is talking about Sodom and Gomorrah. You know Sodom and Gomorrah, yes or no? You know? Sodom and Gomorrah, you know? I'm not Mr. Costa, you know Sodom. Sodom and Gomorrah, God destroyed. Okay, Sodom and Gomorrah, in the Bible it's written that God killed these people because they were not good people. It's written, أخذتهم الصيحة. He seized with the shout. A shout kills people. And we made the highest part of the city its lowest. The city was turned upside down. And not only we made a blast, we shouted at the city, we rained on them stones, hard rocky stones. We shouted, and with red stones. And indeed the cities are established, they are on a road. What is this? This destroyed city, Sodom and Gomorrah, we know it's in the Dead Sea. You know? You know this? In Israel, you know? Sodom and Gomorrah was in Israel, it was destroyed. At the Dead Sea. He's telling its place. Where is this place? إنها بسبيل مقيم. The road is still there. I'm searching the road. Where is the road? Where is the road? What kind of a road God is speaking? We will search this road. We will find this road. It's important, this one. We will watch a video.
Since it was first put forward, the theory of plate tectonics has always said that volcanic activity isn't the only product of plate movements.
Okay, volcanic activity is the only product of the movement of the plate tectonics. If the volcanic only from there, nowhere else.
There's another major drama in the Earth's crust, which has a...
There is another thing, but you knew the subduction, making volcano, the anchorage, you knew about it. And the conversion, separating, you knew. But there is the third thing. What is this thing?
Very direct effect on people. Like here in the town of Franz Josef, which sits right on top of a plate boundary.
Okay, they're sitting also again on a two plates. This plate and this plate. This country is on a plate. We will see what happening. It's subduction, converging or diversion. We will see this, what's happening.
It's transform boundary.
This is something new. Transform. We have three things now. We have diversion, conversion, and transform.
With the Pacific plate on this side of the road moving that way, and the Indian Australian the other.
Okay, you understand what's happening? The plates are not going each other. The plates, one is coming this way and the other that way. This is not coming against each other, or they going diversion. They are going parallel. What happens if it goes parallel? There is three kinds: diversion, conversion, transforming. This is the third way. But this is not Gorgiev, okay?
There are no volcanoes in the area, but the plate movement here can often result in another kind of dramatic natural event.
It makes the road. This road always, okay? When it's happening, transforming plate, it always opens the earth, the road. This road, every time you close, the road is open. God is speaking about this road. The road is there. We will see in Israel is on the tectonic plate and its diversion or conversion, or like this, the road transform like this. We will see now if it's transformed the Dead Sea plate, if there is a plate, the fault, then the verse is absolutely correct. Another video.
Locations of the makeup of the Dead Sea. It is important to understand its geographic and geologic location.
Now we were searching that Israel is on the tectonic plate fault and its transform point, and moving parallel. We will check this.
The Dead Sea is located in Israel and Jordan along the boundary of the African and Arabian tectonic plates.
Okay, it's on the tectonic plate. The first one is correct.
In the Dead Sea Basin.
Okay, look, these are the plates, and the plate is, the Dead Sea is here. It's on the plate, it's correct. We will see now it's transform bound so that we see the road.
The rifting that formed the Dead Sea Basin is estimated to have begun about 18 million years ago in the Miocene on a special type of transform boundary.
Okay, it's transform boundary. It's transform boundary. The verse is correct. Yani it's moving like this. It's always open a road. Then the verse is correct because it's the Dead Sea is on the fault, not subduction, not conversion, transform. Yani always opens a road. The verse is absolutely correct. We will see some of the characteristics.
Possessing strikes and faulting that looks like this.
And it's different kind of faulting. Like this, here is the Dead Sea, and it's surrounded by the faults. This is the basin. It's very strange. And the city is on this road, Sabil al-Muqim, still there, and this road is still here.
Based on a measurement taken about 20 years ago, the water in the Dead Sea lies at about 409 meters below sea level. The name of the Dead Sea is deceiving. Even though it is very salty, it is not an ocean, but rather a terminal lake, meaning that unlike most lakes, water only moves in one direction, into the lake. In the case of the Dead Sea, this one-way flow contributes to its saltiness, which is approximately 1,000%.
Okay, you listen what she's saying? The Dead Sea is 1,000 times more salty other sea. 1,000 times. Why? We will find out now.
Of that of the normal ocean. The only way water leaves the Dead Sea is through evaporation. And seeing as salt does not evaporate easily, most of it is left to collect in the lake. A geologic feature that is a significant result of the saltiness of the Dead Sea is a diapir.
Okay. They studied, you know what they found under the Dead Sea? It's on transform boundary, yes. But there is a diapir. When there is a road under the Dead Sea, and it's open. When it's open, this diapir, salt is coming out of the ground. Because of this, the Dead Sea is salted. Because there is a road, open always, and the minerals under it diapir. The salt is coming up. Because of this is the Dead Sea. Okay, you understand the geological now? It can't happen a diapir salt come up if there isn't a opening road. It must be an opening that the salt comes up. Yani, without checking if there is too much salt, there is a diapir and opening, you must understand.
According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a diapir is an anticlinal fold in which a mobile core has broken.
You see, it's in on a fault.
Through brittle overlying rocks. In the case of salt diapirs, like we see in the Dead Sea, this mobile core is made up of salt, which can have viscous qualities. Diapirs form because of active faulting.
You see, diapirs happen of active faulting. يعني the road is there. إن لبسبيل المقيم. The road is there.
Because the Dead Sea is located on an extremely active transform boundary, faulting is common.
Active transform boundary. Okay.
And therefore, so is the formation of diapirs. This picture shows a good representation of the formation of a diapir. There are two main diapirs in the Dead Sea. They are the Lizon and Sedum diapirs. You can observe their location in this picture.
This is geological
The
express.
Dead Sea is also an interesting place to observe the deposition of
Okay, this is not our subject. We will watch just for fun a video Mount Everest, how it happened, quickly. This is conversion, two lands coming together, it happens the mountain. Everest happened like this. Himalaya, beautiful. Bache, not beautiful. The tectonic plates are moving together in conversion and making mountain.